Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Y'all, iMethod Beauty has changed the shape of their eyeliner stamp. I did a review on this almost 2 years ago, and that's when I fell in love with eyeliner stamps. If y'all want to see their new eyeliner stamp, how in the world I even ended up with it, y'all know what to do. I'll see you in a minute. Hello there, my beautiful, amazing, fantastic YouTube family. Y'all, iMethod Beauty has reached out to me 3 times now. The first 2 I declined. One was on Facebook, another was on Instagram, and I declined their offer because, y'all, almost 2 years ago, I did a review on their stamped winged eyeliner. I absolutely loved it. I will link my video to this review down in the description. Y'all, it's one of the very first videos that I ever done. I fell in love with stamped eyeliner, you guys. It's so easy. And especially for me, because I'm almost totally blind in my right eye. So when I try to do it on my left eye, it's very hard to do, especially if I want to make them symmetrical. It's very, very hard to do. So, the 3rd time, I gave in. And I'm so glad I did. Watch this video up here, you guys. While I've got it playing, I'm going to tell you why I'm so happy I finally gave in and said, okay, please, go ahead, Kayla. Here's my address. Go ahead and send it to me. I'm so glad I did because I'm going to show you now the old stamped wing liner and the new stamped wing liner from iMethod. Here's a picture of it. The old one, which is this one here, the one I did a review on almost 2 years ago, it has a little notch cutout in it. You guys see that right there? See that little notch? That notch is so you can match it up with your bottom lash line and your upper lash line. It fits right there in that corner. And then this is the part that's the same. You flip it around and you have this very sharp tip here. Very felt. It's not so hard that it doesn't have very much give in it. I mean, it has a little tiny give in it, but you can get that tip right down in there. Like if you want to do a real slim winged liner, I'll be throwing pictures up all the different ways I've done it, you guys. You can get right in between those eyelashes, or you can do the great big ones. This is a very sleek, it's not a very wet formula, and it does dry very quickly, but because of that sharp tip on the felt liner, you can do it just as slim as you want it or as big as you want it. Now, their new winged stamped liner, the only difference, you guys, is this one has a flat edge on it. See, well, it's not even flat. It has that little angle, but it doesn't have that little notch. So to use this one, make sure you're watching that video, is you take it and you put it on the very corner tip of your top eyelashes and stamp it. Don't match up with your bottom eyelashes, just your top one. That's the only difference. The formula is the same. It's still waterproof, smudge proof. It's amazing, you guys. I love it. I still love it. Now, the expiration on this is 2 years. So I'm really glad they sent me another one because I never noticed the expiration before. Yeah, it has a 2-year expiration date on it. So I'm very thankful. Thank you so much, Kayla, from iMethod Beauty for sending this to me. Y'all got any questions? You can get their new stamp liner for $15.95 off of their site, or you can order it off of Amazon. Or their old stamp liner, the one that has the little notch in it, you can get it for $13.95. I don't know why the difference in the cost, but I really love the old one. I like being able to match it up with the corner of my eye, and it was just a little bit easier for me. I don't know if it's because I don't have any depth perception or because of not being able to see out of one eye, but it was a little easier for me to use the older one that had the notch cut out in it. Other than that, you guys, there's nothing bad I can say. Nothing bad at all. I'm very glad the third time was a charm and I gave in and accepted it. Now, you guys, Leanna Dalton has done reviews on this. Glamburger has done reviews on this. iMethod Beauty has their own YouTube channel. This thing has just taken YouTube by storm. They've also got their brow gel out. They've got their eyebrow stamp out. I mean, wow, yeah. I love their stamped eyeliner. You guys cannot say enough good things about it. If you have any questions at all about it, leave me down in the comments for me. And that is all. Final pictures for you guys. All different ways that you can do this. All right, loves. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.